finally, and the appliances are taken care of, we are back in the bathroom and we are going to be finishing up all of the tile that is gonna go on in the shower walls. You guys may notice that some of the drywall that's both in the bathroom and also out here on this wall needs to be fixed. So we have been working on that as well.
There's a few imperfections I couldn't keep walking by anymore.
Yes.
Got tired of it. So I went ahead and slapped a little bit of mud on there. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit, sand and repaint.
Yes, and we actually went back because I knew there was something that had happened with this drywall, and upon looking, I realized the reason why we had so much issues with this particular drywall next to the bathroom is because I was being an airhead and Josh was too short.
Go ahead and put it, it fits.
I mean, it doesn't fit though.
Oh, you're the expert, tell me why. The box hasn't been cut out yet. Alright, so I am
5'5" with no leg hair. What Josh is installing on the shower floor are these like pebble mosaic tiles. They are the flat ones, so they give you a smooth surface to step on. They're not the ones that are bubbled up, and they're all interlocking. So you can see this kind of comes down here, and when you put the next sheet on, it'll fit perfectly into this so you don't have any obvious lines between the patterns. It all looks randomized. And once he finishes getting all of these on, we can peel some of the individual stones off of the mesh and cut them into like a half moon shape, and we will place those all the way down the walls of the shower. So you don't see a line, like the tiles that are on the shower walls will come down and sit perfectly on top of the pebbles that are on the floor. And then Josh can have his dream spa bathroom.
correct. What's next, boss? I thought you were in charge here.
God help us if that's the case.
358. Calculate that, boss. 358.
What calculation do you need?
358.
What about it?
Give me the measurement for that. Give me center. Cut it in half. Give me center point.
Okay. Done, I'm thinking. 46 and a half, and then whatever is half of 5/8.
Come on, do that in your head. It's easy.
What's half of 5/8?
5/16.
So what's 5/16 plus a half? Because you have 43 and a half plus 5/16 is what?
Oh no. Turn it off now. 13/16. I need that. So,
See?
what is it?
43 and 5/16.
Is that correct? Now, 13/16.
43 and 13/16, like I said.
That right?
I mean, Josh, nobody's gonna come over and measure our tiles to see if they're center, okay?
Whoa, see, no, I think close to in half. Aaron?
Right, guys, can we make that deal? No coming over
You said
here and measuring our
43.
tiles.
43 gives us 86, not 93, Aaron.
Yeah, but that's 40.
Half of 93 is not 43 and a half. That gives us 40, that gives us 47, that gives us 87 inches. So you're short about 5 inches.
So are you.
So I guess we're going to start a back wall, work our way around, and then start the sides.
So we don't start the sides first?
I think we're just going to do one row at a time because I guess the bull nose is the same height as the horizontal tile. So
Okay.
do a row, 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 row.
Where you vote?
Oh yeah. Babe, can you turn that inspirational audiobook on for me, please?
This video is sponsored by Audible, which our family uses on a daily basis. Audiobooks are an easy way for our family to relax, unwind, connect, explore, and learn away from the screen. We incorporate a lot of audiobooks into our homeschool time. Most recently, we listened to Counting the Stars by Lessa Klein Ransom, which tells the story about Katherine Johnson's childhood all the way through her fearless and inquisitive adult life, helping to send astronauts into orbit. With so many families and children spending more time at home, Audible has launched a new website with free audiobooks for families that are quarantining. Here you can stream hundreds of titles for free with no strings attached. For those of you looking for more, Audible also offers podcasts, guided wellness programs, theatrical performances, A-list comedy, and exclusive Audible originals. Start listening today with a 30-day Audible trial where you can choose one audiobook and 2 Audible originals for free. Visit audible.com/wildwonderfuloffgrid or text wildwonderfuloffgrid to 500-500. So thank you, Audible, for sponsoring today's video and helping to support the time and effort creators like us put into creating free content for our viewers to enjoy. Now let's get back to the build. Josh is cutting the tile outside in the rain.
It's not going nearly as quickly as I wish. I guess the bottom row is a little bit harder to make perfect because the way everything's sloped. So we're actually putting spacers underneath there, trying to get everything level. It's going a little slow. Hey Chuck, with all the help you gave me today on the tile, we didn't get done. You know what I mean? Didn't get done. Took you all the help today. You helped out a little bit and you took a nap.
I think you did a great job, Chuck.
Took a nap? Who you talking about? You old you? Yes. Yes. It took a lot longer than planned. We worked on that first row right down there. The first row obviously took the longest. The shower floor is actually sloped, so an angle cut all those the bottom course, and I also had to wedge everything up to make everything on the top portion of that course level. That was the most important, I guess, part of the job, getting that stuff done. It's my first time doing it, but we got that on point. So I did the second row and I flew on that.
It's such a messy job. Or maybe I'm just messy at it.
Well, I'm messy also, babe. You know? So we're not tile people, you know?
We're doing our best.
Doing our best. See? Okay, stay like that. There you go. See? Did a great job there. Use light here, definitely. Problem is, you're putting more mud where you had enough mud, and you're still skimming over the light part and you're going thin.
Like, it's just such a mess. You should have gotten peel and stick.
No, we don't do peel and stick in this household. 45.
That is 45.
That's a 22 and a half at best. There you go, do 45, go up.
I think you just want to hold hands with me.
See, what you did, you went there in 45, and we got here, you turned to a complete 90 and you pulled it off. 22 and a half, good, 45, okay? 45, that's, whoa, that's 60. 45, dude. Dried it.
I didn't look at the arrow on the back.
I did. See, I marked it and made sure the arrow's in the right direction, going that way with everything else, you know?
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Mm-hmm. Look, you're off now.
You bumped my
Later, got
laser.
minutes.
I don't know about that, Josh.
Let's hope it's fun. Look at the other piece, girl. Make sure it fits.
I'm gonna give you a D-.
You want to cut?
Yeah.
Please, God. Doesn't look good, though.
No, it doesn't look good. Oh my gosh, you got so lucky. Covers everything.
It fits, it covers. Just barely, but it's good enough. All right? So this tile's going up, we're doing angle cuts. We're actually gonna have trim going down right through here like we did on the other side where the drywall meets the wood on the other side of the bathroom. So we have 2 rows left to do, but first Aaron's making me a sandwich. So we're dead in the water. I used my hammer drill and used the hammer drill bit to get the tile, cracked 2 of them. Didn't work out, so I went and bought a bit for the jigsaw. Was like a little hole in there and come around there. That thing got maybe 1/4 inch in and it's fried, so that thing's trash and useless. I bought another bit for a Dremel to cut tile also. Did not work. So I'm dead in the water. I got 7 tiles left. I need 7 tiles to finish a job. Lowe's is closed in about 25-30 minutes, and that's an hour, a little over an hour away. So we're done for the night, I guess. I need a whole new arsenal of tools and equipment to get this job done. It's unfortunate.
He's not too happy about it.
No, I need a carbide bit, the proper one. That's my issue, and I don't have one.
No.
Are you happy about it?
It'll be okay.
Looks like you're showering outside tonight.
Hey, I like that outdoor shower. You did a great job though.
What? Tile?
On everything else in the tile. So it's no big deal. It'll get done when it gets done.
Yeah. Doesn't mean I'm happy about it. Oh, thanks. You know?